name is Brian Brim, and today I'll be doing my research and following presentation on fire cooking. Right. So objectives: students will understand the different types of fire, how to extinguish them, and students will understand the importance of fire cooking. So there are 3 sections of the presentation. First section is fire, second section is heat transfer and smoke, and the third section is extinguishers. Alright, so terminology, some things that you guys should know already would be fire, smoke, BTU, calorie flash, open magnetic flash point. Does anybody not know what those are? Okay. Section 1. So what is fire? Fire is a rapid oxidation of fuel or a substance that produces heat, light, and visible products of combustion. So fire needs 3 things to burn: heat, fuel, and oxygen. So heat is the energy necessary to increase temperature of fuel to where sufficient vapors are given off for ignition to occur. Fuel, any combustible material, solid, liquid, or gas. And oxygen, the air we breathe, is about 21% oxygen. Fire only needs 16% to burn. Okay. So each of these 3 elements must be present at the same time to have a fire. A fire will not burn until one or more of the elements is removed. So the different stages of fire, there are 4. We got incipient, growth, fully developed, and decay. Alright, so incipient, fuel, oxygen, and heat join together in a sustained chemical reaction. At this stage, a fire extinguisher can control the fire. Right? Alright, that's a fire in the incipient stage. You see, it's controlling the extinguisher. Good. Growth, with the initial flames and the heat source, additional fuel ignites. Convection radiation ignite more surfaces, the size of the fire increases, and the plume reaches the ceiling. Right? And that's what the growth of a fire looks like. Alright, fully developed, fire has spread over much, if not all the available fuel. Temperatures reach their peak, resulting in heat damage. Oxygen is consumed rapidly. Right? And that's what a fully developed fire looks like. The decay stage, the fire consumes available fuel, temperatures decrease, fire gets less intense. That would be an example of the decay stage of the fire. Alright, so there are 5 classifications of fire, right? So you got class A, B, C, D, and K. Right? So class A fires involve common combustibles such as paper, wood, cloth, rubber, trash, and plastics. They are common in typical commercial and home settings, but can occur anywhere these types of materials are found. So to prevent class A fires, keep storage and working areas free of trash. Place oily rags in covered containers. So class A fires are represented by a green triangle. Right? And that's what class A fire looks like. Right? Okay. Class B fires involve flammable liquids, gases, solvents, oil, gasoline, paint. I'm going to say that tars and other synthetic oil-based products. Class B fires often spread rapidly and, unless properly secured, can reflash after flames are extinguished. Alright, so basically keep flammable liquids stored in tightly sealed containers and away from spark producing sources. So class B fire represented by a red square. And that's the easy way to remember that. And that's what a class B fire looks like. Everybody got that? Class C fires involve energized electrical equipment such as wiring, controls, motors, and data processing panels or appliances. They can be caused by a spark, power surge, or short circuit, and typically occur in locations that are difficult to reach and see. To prevent Class C fires, investigate any appliances or electrical equipment that smell strange. Unusual odors can be the first sign of a potential fire. So Class C fires are represented by a blue circle. Alright, we doing good on time?
2 minutes.
2 more minutes? That's 2 minutes?
You have 2 minutes left.
2 minutes left?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That's what Class C fires look like. Alright. Class D fires involve combustible metals such as magnesium and sodium. Combustible metal fires are unique industrial hazards which require special dry powder agents. Alright. Knowledge of the properties of metals and using good judgment and common sense will assist you in controlling or avoiding potential fire reactions. So Class D fire represented by a yellow star. Is that right? That is right. Alright, and that's what happens when you put water on magnesium. So Class K fires involve combustible cooking media such as oils and grease commonly found in commercial kitchens. Alright, so represented by, well, I think it's just called Class K fires. Alright, that's what Class K fires look like. Alright, so we're just gonna jump to section 3, okay? Everybody okay with that? Alright, so section 3, right, extinguishers. So a portable device that discharges, extinguisher is a portable device that discharges a jet of water, foam, gas, or other materials to extinguish a fire. Alright, prior to the first extinguisher code practice for fire extinguishers in the UK was BS 580. Right? So extinguisher classification, right? So water extinguisher typically have a red coating, right? Foam has a cream color, dry powder has a blue label, carbon dioxide has a white label, and you have to worry about the last one. So in conclusion, I want you guys to take away from this that extinguishers are important to know when trying to put out a fire, and fully developed can cause flash over and backup. Any questions, comments, or concerns?